Hey everybody, your tutor Lucas here. While I snack on this banana, let's go take a bite out of your test. Hello again, welcome back. We have a very challenging question here. This is coming from test 2 in the first module. We're talking number 25 out of 27, right near the end of this thing, and I see that it is a geometry question with no pictures. See right here, we're talking a right triangle, that means we need 90 degrees, and we're talking similar, that means some sides will correspond to others and they will be proportional. Now, proportional does not mean equal, so we're gonna have to dig through that in just a second. But they gave us some measurements of sides here. I don't know right off the bat which angle is gonna be my right angle. There's something you gotta remember here, and that is your right triangle, your 90-degree angle will always open to your hypotenuse. So if I just real quick sketch a right triangle, right there, then what I was just saying there is my right angle is always going to open up to my hypotenuse. So this side here is going to be your hypotenuse, and your hypotenuse is always the longest of your three sides. So I know that this 52 is going to be my TR, or my RT, which means my missing angle must be the angle S, and I can start filling in the blanks here. RS is 20, ST is 48. So when I go to draw our other triangle, close enough, you get the idea. I'm gonna draw it in that same order. So what I mean by that is if I take RS, are my first two letters, my UV are my first two letters, then those sides are gonna be the same, where my UV corresponds to RS, and if I go with my ST, will match the VW. Well, I don't have a W up there yet, but it's got to be that missing one, so my VW matches that ST, TS, and my final side, the UW must be that RT. Now, they're asking for the tangent of W. I see W right there. Tangent. That brings us back. Let's go with SOHCAHTOA here. If you don't have that memorized, watch a video on that one because they're giving you the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. So we only need the TOA part here. Tangent is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. That's what those letters stand for. And anytime I'm doing these SOHCAHTOA things, they're always going to get labeled the same. The side that the right angle opens to, we already mentioned it, that's our hypotenuse. So over here we got our hypotenuse. The side opposite of our angle W, opposite is the one it opens to, so that's going to be our opposite is the UV. And the last one, adjacent, is going to be the one that's right next to the W that's not our hypotenuse. So there's our adjacent. We need to make this fraction of opposite divided by adjacent, but we don't have any numbers here. The good thing is this is where the similar comes in. We can find the opposite and adjacent of our angle T, which is matching our W, and make our fraction that way. So if I come over here and write the tangent is equal to, what is opposite my angle T? Well, that's 20. And what is adjacent of my angle T? T adjacent, right next to it, that's that 48. 20 divided by 48. You can type that in your calculator if you know the tricks to simplify a fraction. If you type it and it's a decimal, you'll just have to type in all of those until one matches it. But if you remember how to simplify a fraction, we're just going to divide by the biggest number that can go into both of these. And I know a 4 can go into both 20 and into 48. And if I simplify that out, we're going to get 20 divided by 4 is 5. 48 divided by 4 is 12. 5 over 12. B is your answer. Well done. Nice job persevering. Thank you for learning with me. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Please leave a comment down below with a snack idea or a problem you'd like us to work through, and share with your Snaggiest friends for their test prep needs.